Page 119. Will you be home today at about 5 o'clock? Listen to the model.
Hello, Richard. This is Julie. I want to return the tennis racket I borrowed.
Will you be home today at about 5 o'clock? Listen to the model.
Hello, Richard. This is Julie. I want to return the tennis racket I borrowed from you last week. Will you be home today at about 5 o'clock?
Yes, I will. I'll be cooking dinner.
Oh, then I won't come over at 5.
Why not?
I don't want to disturb you. You'll be cooking dinner.
Don't worry. You won't disturb me.
Okay. See you at 5.
Page 120. How to say it. Calling people on the telephone. The person you're calling is there. Listen.
Hello?
Hello. This is David. May I please speak to Carol?
Yes. Hold on a moment.
The person you're calling isn't there. A different person answers. Listen.
Hello?
Hello. This is Maria. May I please speak to Kate?
I'm sorry. Kate isn't here right now. Can I take a message?
Yes. Please tell Kate that Maria called.
Okay.
Thank you.
The person you're calling has an answering machine. Listen.
Hello. This is Roger. I'm not here right now. Please leave your name, telephone number, and a brief message after the beep, and I'll call you back.
Hi, Roger. This is Eric.
Page 120. Listening. You have 8 messages. Listen to the messages on Bob's machine. Match the messages.
Message number 1.
Hello, Robert. This is Aunt Betty. I'm calling to say hello. Call me back. I'll be home all evening. I'll be ironing my clothes. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Message number 2.
Hi, Bob. This is Melanie. I'm making plans for the weekend. Do you want to do something? Call me when you have a chance. I'll be home all day. I'll be studying for a big test. Talk to you later.
Message number 3. Bob, this is Alan. What's up? I'm calling to tell you I won't be able to play tennis with you this Saturday. I'll be attending my cousin's wedding in Dallas. See you soon. Message number 4.
Hello, Mr. Kendall. This is Ms. Wong from the State Street Bank. I'm calling about your application for a loan. We need some more information. Please call me at 472-9138. You can call this evening. I'll be working until 8 p.m. Thank you.
Message number 5. Hi, Bob. This is Rick. Nancy and I want to invite you over to dinner at our new apartment. Call us back. We'll be home all weekend. We'll be repainting the living room. Bye.
Message number 6.
Hello, Bob. This is Denise. I got your message last week. Sorry I missed you. Call me back. I'll be home this evening. I'll be paying bills. Take care.
Message number 7.
Hello. This is a message for Robert Kendall. I'm calling from Dr. Garcia's office. Dr. Garcia won't be able to see you next month. He'll be visiting hospitals in Russia. Please call so we can change your appointment. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Message number 8.
Hello, Bobby? This is Mom. Bobby, are you there? Pick up the phone. I guess you aren't there. Dad and I are thinking of you. How are you? Call us, okay? But don't call this afternoon. We'll be exercising at the health club. Well, talk to you soon, Bobby. Bye.